Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, we'll be talking about optimizing retail operations with Odoo. In simple terms, how does Odoo work for retail stores? So let's get started. In today's dynamic retail landscape, businesses are constantly seeking ways to streamline their operations, enhance customer experience, and stay competitive. One powerful solution that has gained popularity in recent years is Odoo, a comprehensive and integrated business management software suite that lets you a comprehensive and integrated business management software suite. Let's explore how Odoo can leverage to maximize the efficiency and effectiveness of retail stores. One thing to get note is that Odoo is very robust. It has a unified management aspect. One of the key advantages of Odoo for a retail store is its ability to centralize various aspects for businesses, from inventory management to sales tracking to customer management and relationship piece. Odoo offers a unified platform to manage all these functions seamlessly. This integration reduces data silos, minimizing errors, and allows for real-time insight into the store performance. So when you talk about Odoo for retail store, the number of plugins that will interact with each other to make sure that your retail store moves forward. You can have a CRM, you can have a sales system, you can have an inventory system, you can have a timesheet system, depending on what you're running. If you install, for instance, an inventory management system, well, it becomes very crucial for your success of your business. And you realize that Odoo Inventory Management module provides tools to monitor and track stock levels, automating and restocking, and also tracking movement. It also allows for easy categorization and labeling of products, making it simple for staff to locate and sell items. Odoo also comes in with a point of sale design. So we will be exploring the different pieces that you can integrate, not all of them, but the specific one, which is point of sale. So when you navigate into the Odoo system, you realize that from the application menu, you can type the point of sale, what modules comes in. And I have point of sale, I also have appointment. So I'll click in the point of sale option to install. I have already installed, that's why the install menu is not appearing in here. So if we go to my apps, you realize that I have already installed the point of sale for Odoo. This is very useful if you're setting a front office area where people will come and pay their product through point of sale terminal. Now remember, we're not just using the point of sale. The point of sale is just the face. We also have the stock management system. We have the remote management system, among many others. That is how robust Odoo is. So if I click on the point of sale as one of the key modules I'll be looking at in this video, I have already set up a dummy point of sale for my shop. I can also set for my restaurant. So just to take you through the front end page, I'll click on new session, and from the new session you can tell that all the products I have in my shop are brought in. If I have a barcode scanner, I can definitely scan the codes on my products and they will definitely appear in here. And this interface allows you to see the products that you're selling on this side and the receipts of what the client is purchasing from your terminal. For example, if I need a Coca-Cola, you can tell I have a Coca-Cola, which is 1 unit. I can take a margherita pizza. I can also take a bottle of water. Odoo adds the subtotals in here and gives you a few options to manipulate. So if I select payment, the customer can either pay through bank, which I have already set up as a payment gateway, and I'll be showing you how to do that, and enter the amount of money they're supposed to pay in there. In this case, summary is they're supposed to pay 1322. So select 1322 and I'll say validate that transaction to complete. Now Odoo creates a receipt that can be printed on a thermal printer to enable the client to get an invoice for their service. I can go back to my new order and select a new order of my choice. So I can also offer refund among many other manipulations, including discounts for Odoo. I'll navigate back at the top options here and close this session. And when I'm closing the session for any terminal, I need to enter the notes, who closed the session, how much was made for that day, and in this case, I'll just close the session without entering any notes in that area. I'll navigate back into the Odoo main backend area for my sales terminal. As you can tell, there are a number of customizations that I can configure within my Odoo to make it extremely robust. I can click on configuration, and here I have payments methods, I have bills, I have the point of sale, the floor plan for my company, and the POS product categories. So any setting that you prefer within Odoo can be gotten from this setting option. If I click on the setting piece, you can tell that there are different pieces I can manipulate. For example, I can set whether this point of sale is for about a restaurant, or it's a multi-employee session, or it's a large scroll bar, and many other pieces. I can customize my tax options and include that in Odoo as well. So Odoo will be calculating that and including that as my tax returns option. I also have other settings, including the payment options if I'm using a bank or a customer account, which you saw on the POS terminal. Notice that I can also customize the invoicing section on this general area, and by clicking on that invoicing option, it takes me to the different pieces of customizing, whether I need to pick around per line or pick around globally, select a country of choice in case I need to change, currency, and many other options in terms of printing and documenting my transactions. If I click on my inventory option, still scrolls back into the inventory option where I can customize and create barcode options and shipping configurations to ensure that our clients get the right addresses when they're requesting for their products. The barcodes comes in very useful when we are setting the pricing, and we will really need to use a barcode scanner to interpret the pricing from the product. We can also work with products and categorically put in the products that are being sold within the point of sale. Right now you can tell that these are the number of products I already have in my point of sale. However, I can select to add a new product by selecting on the new option, and through that I can enter the name of the product, category, the price, and the inventory records and the buying price and the selling price, just to calculate the profits when I'm doing my balance sheet. That is how Odoo works. I can also add a product image, and once I am done, print labels for the QR codes, and that is done. Whenever I want to replenish a stock, I'll click on replenish and I will add in the stock that I want. And you can tell that as much as I am using these modules, they do not just work alone. For instance, if I come to my configuration setting and select the setting option, you can tell I'm working with the inventory module. I'm also working with the invoicing module. This means as much as I would like just to use the point of sale as my one and only module, Odoo knows a very good way of integrating all these modules just to know which module works for you and your organization. Remember, this is just a small snippet of the front end of a retail store. But remember, Odoo also comes in with integrated reporting, providing powerful analytics and reporting tools that enables retailers to get insights into the sales trend. This means they can look at inventory turnover and customer behavior. By leveraging this data, retailers can make informed decisions about product selection, pricing strategies, and marketing efforts. Well, there is a lot that we can talk about Odoo and retail store. Odoo is a very powerful tool for retail stores looking to enhance their operations. By streamlining processes, improving customer engagement, and providing valuable insights, Odoo empowers retailers to adapt to changing market conditions and stay ahead of the competition. Implementing Odoo effectively can result in increased profitability, improved customer satisfaction, and brighter future for your retail store. Well, as usual, don't forget to claim your free business Odoo consultancy by clicking on the link below. Until next time, I'll see you in the next nuggets.